Champion League. Will he make it? I do not know. But he's 100% mocking the Midnight 4th of July Olympics. Their fifth mission is, yes, ladies and gents, boys and girls, the Midnight July Olympics.
Yep. If you would have totally... See, Dakota, you would have totally had time with it. We told you.
And now it looks like the Statue of Liberty.
The Statue of Liberty. Write something in the air.
Right. Fuck.